In this video, I'm going to show you how to compute the sine of 2 pi by hand. So we'll start by drawing a brief sketch of the unit circle. So here's 0, here's pi over 2, here is pi, and here is 3 pi over 2. Okay, oh, and this is 2 pi. We definitely need that. And then here is our unit circle. So on the unit circle, every ordered pair has the form parentheses cosine theta, comma sine theta. So we are interested in the ordered pair here at 2 pi. So because it's a unit circle, in order to get to this point, we have to travel a distance of 1 to the right. So the x-coordinate is 1, and we haven't really gone up or down, so the y-coordinate is 0. On the unit circle, sine is the y-coordinate. So therefore, the sine of 2 pi is equal to 0. I hope this video has been helpful.